You gotta be into it though. You gotta be like, Just getting back to camp. These steep hills suck. Gotta get some food. It's gonna be great. Ninja! Woo! You gotta go there. I gotta climb.
So?
He wins. Want to bet? I'll give you $1 if you give me points.
1.
You guys have no idea how cool I feel. I feel so cool right now.
You got 1 and a 3?
With the sword. The flip. Chop your hand off. I've done it.
And that's how I lost my fingers.
Yeah. Ooh, that was scary.
The same time?
No, we don't know who hits it. It sticks on the side of the
So are we going like on
1,
3?
2, 3, go, or 1, 2, 3?
Or 5, 4, 3.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1?
10?
10, 9, 8.
I'll count.
1, 2, 3, go.
Alright.
No,
Wait, on go or on 1?
On go.
2,
go?
3, go!
I was confused. It went straight down to
R.I.P.
Oh, 1.
Alright, so we're trying to hit this marble off in the distance with some BB guns. So far we're not able to get it, but I believe we're gonna get it soon. You are the marble.
You are the marble. Ooh, I'm the marble.
The water. Chug it.
So we need a new bottle because we broke all the other ones, and we're not wasteful. So I'm gonna drink this real quick.
This is California after all.
Yeah, this is California after all.
He's in his ass right now.
His natural habitat. The asshole.
Yeah, I thought about doing it earlier, but
After my speech, what a jerk.
Where is it?
So guys, my protective case broke, and my camera's fine, so that's pretty cool. So I would definitely say eye protective cases, they are definitely useful. Especially if you plan on shooting at them. It's not too bad, but it definitely runs over the lens. So I guess I'm buying a new one now. Thank whoever created protective cases. Yes. And meet the guy who broke it. Hello, hi. And his big old red nose. Rudolph.
Do it to me. I'm the one that won.
Yeah, you're the one that won. By breaking my
good.
camera.
No, I didn't.
So, it's not my first time shitting in the woods, but if it's yours, tip number 1, check your shoulder. Bears don't like you shitting in their territory. They hate it. They'll come after you. Tip number 2, make sure that when you take a shit, you don't fall back inside of it. That sucks. And finally, tip number 3, when you take a shit, make sure that you take a shit where there are no trees and no bushes. You gotta make sure that all the woodland critters know who's in charge. Except bears. Make sure that bears are still in charge, because bears are big. And it's scary.